My name is Mike Hedges. I'm chair of the cross-party group on hearing loss. Earlier this evening we had a cross-party group, and Hugh Iranka-Davis, the minister who covers hearing loss, came and spoke to the group and informed members of what the government was doing to support those people in our communities who suffer from hearing loss. He answered a number of questions. He also had to leave, so we were unable to ask him all the questions in the group. So members are going to email me with the questions they've got which weren't answered at the time. And if anyone else wants to ask questions of him, if they can email me at mike.hedges@assembly.wales, then I will send them on to the minister and we'll get a response back. I'm sure that Action on Hearing Loss will actually put that onto their website, the answers. The other things we discussed were the Welsh Government's framework of action, where we had an update, and we also discussed the impact of the Social Services and Wellbeing Act and whether it was working for deaf people as it was intended. And we also discussed the Social Services and Wellbeing Act and how it's being interpreted in Connaught Council, which appears different to the rest of Wales and disadvantageous to those people with hearing loss. Finally, we talked about monitoring and implementation of the All Wales standards in the NHS and the importance of ensuring that deaf people get treated equally and equitably compared